Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about one of maybe the least glamorous body systems that we're going to be studying, but one of the most important, and that's the excretory system. Now, the excretory system has been a fascination to scientists and people since ancient times, and up here we have an ancient symbol for urine. Today, doctors use urine as helpful in lots of diagnostic tests for different diseases. In ancient times, one of the earliest diagnostic tests was pouring urine on the ground and seeing if it attracted any insects. Gross. But it did work, and that condition was called honey urine and was used to detect people with boils. So the body is going to collect a lot of waste during all of its processes. And so the components of the excretory system are going to include things like our kidneys, but also our lungs. Now we don't typically think of lungs as excretory organs, but they're going to expel all the carbon dioxide that our body produces as a byproduct in cellular respiration. So we get rid of the carbon dioxide, meaning that the lungs are helpful in our excretory systems. So other than the lungs, we also include the skin as an excretory organ because it will excrete water and salts contained in your sweats, but our kidneys are our major excretory organ in the body, part of our urinary system. So our urinary system will include our 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, and then those lead down to the urinary bladder, which stores the urine prior to excretion, and 1 urethra, which carries the urine from the bladder out of the body. Each of our kidneys, and we have 2, filters about 180 liters of blood each day in adults, but produces only about 1.5 liters of urine. So the filtration process and absorption from the blood requires a lot of energy. So our urinary system is really important in homeostasis, and if we don't maintain our internal balance for health and survival, we can have problems, and some kidney disorders include infections. Another disorder of the kidneys is nephritis, which is an inflammation of the nephron, which is the functional unit of the kidney. And finally, we hear a lot about kidney stones, which can be really painful, and a kidney stone is basically a crystallized solid, mostly calcium, that forms in the kidney, and then they pass out of the body in the urine. It takes a long time. Sometimes you have to have them broken into pieces by ultrasonic sound waves, and they hurt a lot. So thanks to modern medicine, we have different treatments for kidney disorders. One that you've probably heard of is kidney dialysis. Now, dialysis is a procedure where we have an artificial kidney machine that's going to filter waste from the patient's blood. Now, there's 2 different types of dialysis, and they take different treatment schedules, but they kind of operate with the same sort of idea. There's also a kidney transplant. Kidney transplant is the surgical placement of a healthy kidney from another person into a patient's body. They have increasing success rate, but it's always difficult to find kidneys just to donate. So thanks for sticking with us. We're going to talk more about our excretory system in class tomorrow. See you guys later.